Hi, everybody. This is John over at Byrider Green Bay, and this is Carrie. This is our office manager. She's going to tell you guys what her first car was.
That was a 1993 two-door Chevy Lumina. Best car ever.
Best car ever? Would you say that's your dream car?
No.
No? What is your dream car?
Camaro.
Which year?
It don't matter.
And do you have a favorite car on the lot?
Not at the moment, but if I could, I would go for the black Camaro if I did not work here. In a heartbeat.
There you go. So, this is Carrie. She does a lot here, guys. She's an office manager. She's the office manager, and she's just one of the best employees you could ask for. A lot of great staff here at Green Bay Byrider. So if you're wanting to meet any of us or work with any of us, come on down, 2805 Ramada Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin, or give us a call, 920-455-7788. Have a great day.